Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a simple starter, aloo chat. It's great for vegans, vegetarians. All you need is some biryani onions, a teaspoon of oil, teaspoon of tomato puree, 5 tablespoons of base gravy, a teaspoon of our mixed desi style powder spice, half a teaspoon of our chat spice, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 5 to 6 pieces of pre-cooked potato. Now all the pre-cooked stuff, so like the potato, the tomato puree, I've missed out garlic and ginger. We're going to need about a teaspoon of garlic and ginger there. I've shown you how to make them. Just go down on the description below. There's a link there. If you just click it, it'll tell you how to do it. Even simple things like biryani, how to cut it. I've shown you how to cut it. Just click on the link. It's very easy, and then you'll know exactly how to do it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment any questions you've got for me, ask me. I'll try to answer you back. I've been helping a lot of people on YouTube, so hopefully I can help you. Okay guys, so we've got our pan. We just put about a couple of teaspoons of oil. This is a starter, so you've got to be a little bit, it's not a curry, so you put a little bit less of everything in there. So we've got our biryani onions. Just need a little bit, not too much. So I've let that caramelise for a few minutes now, so then I can add our garlic ginger paste. Just going to let that. In a couple of minutes, and the garlic and ginger paste has gone a little bit goldeny, which is what we want. Then I've got about a teaspoon and a half of our tomato puree. Then you have a teaspoon of our desi style mixed powder. And then you have about half a teaspoon of our chat. Very important that you don't add any salt. The chat spice is very salty. So you just let it kind of cook in a little bit with the onions. And then you've got pre-cooked potatoes here. So you don't need that many, 5 to 6 pieces, and cut them in half. It's a starter. So you just want small bits of potato. Pre-cooked potato goes in everything in a curry, in an Indian restaurant that has potato in. So if you have like a vegetable curry, the potatoes go in. Aloo, these potatoes go in. So they're just pre-cooked. Any curry you might have requested can have a chicken curry with potato. They'll put these are spiced cooked potatoes. And again, like I've said, I've shown you how to cook these. So you just got to go down in the descriptions. So it's very similar to a Bombay potato, but it's a lot more drier. It's got that salty, tangy taste because of the chat spice. So you just let it marinate into the potato. So I've given it a couple of minutes on low gas with the spices marinating in to the onions, to the potato. Then we've got our base gravy. You want to put a very minimal amount. It's a dry starter. It's not saucy. It shouldn't be saucy. So just a little bit, just to wet it a little bit, and then you should cook. So as you can see, it's dried up a lot, which is what we want. We want it to be dry, and there's small bits of potato, so they've been cut up. And now it's just cooking. We just add some coriander, which I think I forgot to put on the board. So just add a little bit of coriander. And then it's ready. Can you see? You don't want to give it too long because the potato is going to start melting. So you just want it to be cooked, and the potatoes aren't melting. So we're ready to take it out. So okay, it's quite dry. It looks a little bit, kind of a bit boring. So you want to dress it up a little bit. You want to give it a bit more colour. We've just got some sliced cucumber and tomato, which will give red colour and green colour. We've got some red onions on top. We've got lemon on the side. It's nice with a slice of lemon. You just want to give it that. And then you just want to add, final touch is a little bit of coriander all over. Do you see how much better that now looks? So there you have it, guys. An aloo chat.